All right, so this is just a test of the Goal Zero. This is my Yeti 500. This is my mini little noodle cooker, and we're going to see how much electricity this little thing uses to cook up 2 eggs. Henrietta, get out of the picture. We're not talking about you this morning, okay? Go lay some eggs somewhere. Okay, so what I'm going to do is turn it on, alternating current. I'm going to plug it in. Now my mini isn't even heated up yet. There we go. The little light is on and I have my eggs ready. Usually I'll give this like a minute to heat up. Wow, that sounds really good. All right, I'll cut back in when we're ready for it. I wish I could get my camera closer, but it's about ready to fall off the cliff. So, and I don't want it too close to my mini. All right, so we have a full tank. My mini's heating up and it is 6:28 in the morning. Thought I'd give a timestamp. All right, so this little tape is me being inaccurate. What I forgot to do was, before I even turned it on, I forgot to spray it with cooking spray. So oopsie. So here I am about to pour in the eggs and I just notice it. It's like, uh-oh. All right, now it's time to let the oil heat up. Oh my gosh, I sprayed my Goal Zero. I really hate that spray from Costco. It's terrible the way it sprays. Going back to Dollar Tree. All right, my bad. We're 2 minutes in because I forgot to spray. There we go. We got sizzle. There we go. Perfect. All right, so I thought I'd cut back in and see it cooking the eggs perfectly, and it's barely using any electricity. It should be done in like 2 more minutes. Yay. Okie dokie, we are at 6:33. It went down 20%. That was 5 minutes, and my eggs are perfectly cooked. So I'm going to turn it off. There we go, and let's see what we got. Oh, my eggs are overcooked. Okay, should have turned it off sooner than that. Arr! It looks great, and it's going to come out perfect. See that? Wonderful. Can I do that? Ah! So to me, it is a very efficient cooker. I could probably get 5 or 6 meals out of one charge of my battery. It does take a lot of coordination to videotape and cook at the same time. I think this is a great car camping product, and I am really pleased with my mini noodle and rice cooker.